From Adelaide. The car I'm currently starting to build is a S13 Silvia. Previously had a R33 and just want to start from scratch and teach myself as much as I can in the build process and see what I can come up with really. When I got the car at the start of this year, picked it up non-rolling, completely bare shell. The only thing I had was doors and a boot. Shell's pretty straight, it's got a bit of a ding in the front end which I'm going to tube anyway. I originally got the car to start building as I just finished up doing the L2 series for this year and was lucky enough to take that out, so I wanted to step up into L1. I did one round and didn't really feel like my car was competitive enough. And I know people say, oh, it's the driver, you can change this, you can change that, but my car unfortunately wasn't as reliable as I'd like and I just didn't get to do as many events. So I want to focus on this car and get it to a competitive level. Definitely am doing a Barra turbo build. I'm not sure whether I'll go for the straight gas engine and convert that or just stick with the NA. I just want to do something slightly different, although the Barras are starting to become a bit more common. I think it'll be the first S chassis in Adelaide hopefully by the time it's finished. This is the first car that I've decided to build from scratch completely. The only other car I can think of that I've had as a shell was my very first car. As a teenager I had a Mark II Escort that my dad and I started building, never got to finish it. I'll use that motivation to get this one done. Interesting because a few people when I got the shell they're like, oh, why would you get something that's got nothing in it? And to me that was the best part about it, was it had absolutely nothing. I don't have to take stuff out of it, whereas my 33 is a street car, turn drift car, so I'm just constantly taking stuff out that doesn't need to be there. I want to build this with the bare minimum and as much as I can on my own and with help of friends and some local businesses to help me out so that I can learn as much as I can. I knew nothing about turbos or Jap cars when I started drifting, and I know a lot more now by stuff breaking and just helping others out with their stuff. So I think you learn a lot more rather than just sort of being told. You've got to really put it into practice and learn yourself. So that's the only good thing about the 33 is that it breaks so much that I've learned a shitload. I would like to have it done, I think, potentially mid-year next year. Ideally quicker than that, but I really don't want to go over that. But that definitely depends on time and money and all that important stuff. So I'm planning to sell the 33 to be able to help fund this car a little bit more. So yeah, within the year time frame is ideally where I want to be at.